Hello students, today we are going to know about heredity. First we know what is heredity. Do you think some characters are completely resemble with our parent? How is it possible? Some characters like your skin color, like your eye color, like your height sometimes. Uh, so how these characters are similar with our parents? The resemblance of offspring to their parent is termed as heredity. There are not, we always found the similarity in appearances. Some differences also there. There are differences in the manner how characteristics are inherited to offspring. Offspring do not look exactly like their parents. Some differences are there, but some resemblances are there. How is possible? This possible through the process that is known as heredity. Now come to the definition of heredity. Heredity is the transmission of characteristic or trait from one generation to another through reproduction. What kind of reproduction? Sexual reproduction. Heredity maintains the continuity of life and it helps in preserving species in nature. Now, know about some fact regarding heredity. An Austrian monk, Gregor Johann Mendel, he is a famous person, performed a series of simple experiments and discovered how heredity works. First you know about the genetics, the term genetics. The term genetics was coined by Bateson in the year 1905. It is derived from the Greek word gen, means to grow into, whereas the term gene was first proposed by Johansen 1909. So the term genetics was first coined by whom? Bateson. And the term gene was first proposed by whom? Johansen. So know about genetics. What is genetics? The science of heredity and the principles governing the inheritance of characters from parent to progeny. Progeny means that is next generation offspring is called genetics. Now know about Gregor Johann Mendel, the great scientist who was known as father of genetics. Why he is known as father of genetics? Let's know about few points about him. It was Gregor Mendel who first carried out some methodical studies on pea plant. Pea plant scientific name we know, that is Pisum sativum, which led Mendel to discover some laws. Those may explain how characters are inherited by progeny from parents. Mendel was a monk in an Augustinian monastery at Brunn. He carried out hybridization experiments taking some contrasting features of pea plant in the monastery garden, and after 8 years of experimentation he was able to come to some deduction on principles of inheritance, as he was the pioneer to elucidate some laws governing the mechanism of inheritance. That's why he is regarded as father of genetics. So he worked on pea plant. Several generations he was studied and come to the result and give some laws regarding heredity.